Now write down the questions, children.
Yes.
Which of the following are exothermic processes? Question number 1. Today's question number 1 is, which of the following are exothermic processes? Exothermic processes. A is reaction of water with quicklime. Reaction of water with quicklime. B, second option is dilution of an acid. Dilution of an acid. Dilution of an acid. Third, evaporation of water.
Sir,
Yes. Any problem, children?
sir, what is in the second option?
Second option is dilution of an acid. Dilution of an acid. Then fourth is sublimation of camphor crystals. Sublimation of camphor crystals. Camphor crystals. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2 says, all of you are able to note or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question reads like this. Which of the following are combination reactions? Which of the following are combination reactions? Which of the following are combination reactions? First option, twice of KClO4, heating, we get twice of KCl plus thrice of O2. Second option is MgO plus H2O. MgO plus H2O gives MgOH whole twice. Third is 4Al plus thrice of O2. 4Al plus thrice of O2 gives twice of Al2O3. Twice of Al2O3. Fourth reaction is Zn plus FeSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Fe. So you have to find out the correct answer according to the following given options. Your options are A is second and fourth. Your B option is first and third. And C option is third and fourth. And your D option says second and third. Okay. So who is going to answer this question? Question number 1 and 2. Who is going to answer? Let me check how many children are there. This. Shabnam Parveen, are you there? Shabnam Parveen. Shabnam Parveen is not there. And Shivraj Singh, are you there? Shivraj Singh is not there. Okay. Now, Kushag Srivastava will answer the first question. Kushag Srivastava.
So, which of the following are exothermic processes?
Yes.
A, reaction of water with quicklime. B, dilution of an acid. C, evaporation of water. D, sublimation of camphor crystals.
Hmm.
So the
Yes.
answer is A, reaction of water with quicklime.
Kushag, can you repeat?
Sir, reaction of water with quicklime.
Reaction of water with quicklime
Is exothermic process.
only this. There are more than one option correct. What do you think about dilution of an acid? What kind of reaction is dilution of an acid? Yes, Vandan, can you tell? Yes, Vandan Vyas. Vandan is not ready to answer. I
The
can't.
dilution of acid is an exothermic reaction.
So dissolution, sorry, dilution of acid is also an exothermic process.
Sir, record.
Yeah. Both the processes are exothermic in nature. First and second. Is there any doubt, children?
No,
Is
sir.
there any doubt regarding this?
No, sir.
Okay. Second question will be answered by Garima Sulaya. Garima, are you there? Garima,
Yes, sir.
please answer the second question. Please, Garima, answer the second question. Garima, you cannot answer. Okay, Melvin, are you there? Melvin Victor. Melvin Victor. Melvin Victor, are you there? He is not. Okay, Manali, you answer. Okay.
Can I?
Yes, Manali, please proceed.
Which of the following are combination reaction? First, 2KClO4 gives on heating 2KCl plus 3O2. MgO plus H2 gives MgOH whole twice. 4A plus 3O2 gives 2Al2O3. Zn plus FeSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Fe.
Yes.
Option A are second and fourth. Option B first and third. Option C third and fourth. Option 4 second and third.
Very
Correct
good.
answer is option C, second and third.
Second and third, that means D option. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So D option, that means second. Second, MgO plus H2O gives MgOH whole twice. We have to please remember that in combination reactions, reactants are more than one. Reactants are more than one, and products may be one or more than one. Okay? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is second one is correct. This is combination reaction, and third one. Yes, here also aluminium reacting with oxygen to form aluminium oxide. This is also a combination reaction. Very good. Now see, Himanshu Saini. Are you there?
Yes,
Himanshu
sir.
Saini. Himanshu Saini, can you tell me what kind of reaction is this one? What kind of
Sir,
reaction is this one?
decomposition. Thermal decomposition.
It is thermal decomposition. Very good. Vinisha Agrawal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tanisha Agrawal, can you tell me what kind of reaction is this fourth one?
Single displacement reaction.
This is displacement reaction. Very good. So have all of you noted these questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Let us move to another question. See, if you have your own questions, you can also ask. Please, if you have question of your own, please ask children.
Sir, what is
Sir.
dolomite?
Yes, Himanshu, do you want to ask any question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, better. Yes, proceed. Please ask.
सर सर इवेपोरेशन ऑफ वाटर एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस नहीं है क्या
Himanshu, can you repeat? Your voice was not
Sir.
proper. Yes.
सर इवेपोरेशन ऑफ वाटर
Uh,
एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस नहीं है
it is an endothermic, no?
ओके सर
Evaporation of what? Yes.
सर मेरा भी एक डाउट है.
Please, Manali. Yes.
Sir, what is dolomite?
Dolomite. Very good. Dolomite. Yes. Dolomite is an ore of aluminium and magnesium. Please write down, everyone. Dolomite is an ore of aluminium and magnesium. Please write down. It is an ore of aluminium and magnesium. Okay? Manali, is your question
Yes, sir.
answered?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please, if you want to ask more questions, please ask. Everyone has to ask questions. Children, please ask. Himanshi Vaishnav is not there. Himanshi Vaishnav, he is not attending the classes. Okay, I'm writing some more questions that you need to answer. Which of the following is not a chemical reaction? Next question. Which of the following is not a chemical reaction? Which of the following is not a chemical reaction? Is not a chemical reaction. A option is storing of milk. Storing of milk. B option is dissolution of sugar in water. Dissolution of sugar in water. Third option is rusting of iron. And fourth option is digestion of food. Okay. Next question. Next question, children. Now let us move on to the chapter 2. Chapter 2. Let us solve questions from chapter 2 also. Sodium carbonate. Question number 4. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because sodium carbonate We all know sodium carbonate is a basic salt or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Basic.
sir.
Why it is basic salt, that we have to judge. Okay, because it is a salt of it is a salt of a strong acid and weak base. Strong acid and weak base. B option. Strong base and weak acid. C. Strong acid and strong base, and fourth option is weak acid and weak base. Weak acid and weak base. Okay, children. Okay.
Yes,
Next
sir.
question. Common salt. Question number 5. Common salt, besides being used in kitchen, can also be used as a raw material. Can also be used as raw material for. Can you read this line? I am reading. If you are not able to read, common salt, besides being used in kitchen, can also be used as a raw material for. Okay. I am writing the options. First, washing soda. Second is bleaching powder. Third is baking soda. Fourth is slaked lime. Now, see, in this question, more than one option are correct. More than one option may be correct. Okay.
Yes.
Now let us solve. Question number 3. Who is going to answer?
Sir, can I?
Only Manali is ready to answer any question. Now, Sadhana, will you answer? Sadhana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read out the question and read out all the 4 options and please give the correct answer.
Question number 3. Which of the following is not a chemical reaction? A. Souring of milk. B. Dissolution of sugar and water. C. Rusting of iron. D. Digestion of food. So, correct option is B. Digestion of sugar and water.
Digestion?
Sorry, dissolution of sugar and water.
Yes. That means, please, Sadhana, please listen. That means you are saying that option A, C, and D are chemical changes. Do you mean that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, souring of milk is a chemical change. Why? Souring of milk is a chemical change. Why?
Because it form an acid curd
Yeah.
which can be transferred again into milk.
No. Yes. Very good. Milk proteins, when they are converted into lactic acid, milk gets converted into curd. Okay. And it is an irreversible change. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Next. Then C1. Rusting of iron. We have already discussed that rusting of iron is a corrosion of metallic surface when it reacts with oxygen and moisture. Oxygen and moisture. Okay. And the digestion of food is also a chemical change. Digestion of food is also a chemical change. Okay. Next, question number 4. Who is going to answer question number 4?
Sir, can I?
Yes, Vinisha, will you?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, Vinisha.
Sir,
Proceed. Vinisha.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Question
please.
number 4. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is option number A, strong acid and weak base. Option number B, strong base and weak acid. Option number C, strong acid and strong base. Option number D, weak acid and weak base.
Yeah.
So correct answer is option number B, strong base and weak acid.
Yes, very. Vinisha, can you name the acid and the base from which this salt has been formed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Base is NaOH.
NaOH is a strong base.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the acid from which it is formed?
HCO3.
HCO3.
Carbonic acid.
Can you repeat?
HCO3, carbonic acid.
H2CO3 is carbonic
Yes,
acid.
sir.
H2CO3 is
H2CO3.
H2CO3 is carbonic acid. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So all of you understood why sodium carbonate is a basic salt, because it is formed by the reaction between a strong base, that is NaOH, and a weak acid, that is H2CO3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ritika Meghwal,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me any salt which is an acidic salt? Yes. Can you name one salt which is acidic? Ritika. Acidic salt.
Sir, sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Sodium hydrogen carbonate will be acidic. Why? No. Vandan, will you name one
Sir,
acidic
because
salt?
because it formed by weak base and strong acid reaction.
No, Ritika Meghwal, sodium bicarbonate is a salt of weak acid, that is H2CO3, and strong base. So it is a basic salt, not an acidic salt. Ritika. Okay. Now Parthraj, will you answer? Will you answer, Parthraj? Parthraj.
Yes, sir.
Parthraj, can you give me one example of an acid which is acidic in nature? Acidic salt. Parthraj, give me one example of an acidic salt. Vineet Regar, please answer. Vineet Regar, they are not responding. Suruchi Sharma, can you name one acidic salt? Suruchi Sharma. Okay, Vinisha is going to answer. Yes, Vinisha, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Acidic salt.
KCl.
KCl is a salt formed by the reaction,
पोटेशियम एंड क्लोराइड मैं बताती हूँ.
and both are strong base and strong acid. So it is a neutral salt. It is not acidic salt. Okay.
Oh yes sir, yes sir.
Ipsita,
Yes, sir.
can you give me one example of an acidic salt?
Zinc chloride.
Zinc chloride. Very good. Let us check. Zinc
Sir,
chloride.
sodium bisulfate.
Sodium by no. Yes, Ipsita, let us talk about zinc chloride. Zinc chloride is a salt formed by the reaction between hydrochloric acid, which is a strong acid, and zinc hydroxide. And zinc hydroxide is a weak base as compared to hydrochloric acid. So zinc chloride will be an acidic salt. Very good. Similarly, iron chloride, ferric chloride will also be a acidic salt. Okay.
Sir, magnesium sulfate.
Magnesium sulfate. No, magnesium hydroxide is a strong base, and sulfuric acid is also a strong acid. So it will be a neutral salt. It will be a neutral salt. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Magnesium chloride.
Yes.
Sir, magnesium chloride.
Magnesium chloride. Magnesium hydroxide is a strong base, and hydrogen chloride is a strong acid. So it is also a neutral salt. Sadhana, okay, is it clear? Sadhana, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us move on to the next question. So you got your answer, no? Strong base and weak acid. Next question. Common salt, besides being used in kitchen, can also be used as a raw material for, who's going to answer? Shruti Sharma. Shruti Sharma. Shivraj Singh, will you answer it? Riya, will you answer? Okay. Vandan, you please answer. Vandan.
Yes, sir. Bleaching
Vandan.
powder and baking soda.
Bleaching powder and baking soda. And what about washing soda and slaked lime? See, children, let me tell you one thing. We have seen how to get the products like sodium hydroxide, then bleaching powder, okay, sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, and plaster of Paris. Okay, how we are obtaining? We are obtaining by taking common salt as a raw material. So your answer is washing soda, bleaching powder, and baking soda also. And slaked lime is not obtained. Okay, do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
All of you agree with that or not? So three materials can be obtained using common salt as a raw material, that is washing soda, bleaching powder, baking soda. Now I am again giving one question regarding the chemical names and chemical formula of the compounds. You have to write the chemical formula and chemical names of the common chemicals that we have obtained by taking common salt as a raw material. Okay, I am going to rub this and then please pay attention. You have to fill. You are supposed to fill the chemical name and chemical formula. This is going to be an interesting question, children. See, common name, then chemical name, chemical formula. Okay. Common name, I am writing, suppose, is brine solution. You have to make and you have to fill the blanks. Children. Here, this blank you have to fill. Then, if suppose I am writing here, calcium hemihydrate. Okay. Then you have to fill here. Are you getting what you are supposed to do?
Yes, sir.
You have to fill the blanks here. Then bleaching powder. You have to fill here. Gypsum. Then washing soda. Then washing soda, after that sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now, who is going to fill the first one? Yes, you have to raise your hands. Vineet Regar. Vineet Regar. Vineet Regar is not there. Vandan, will you answer the first one? Brine solution. What is its chemical name and what is its chemical formula? Brine solution. No one is there to answer. Yes, Tanishka Hada is very good. Tanishka Hada is eager to answer. Please answer, Tanishka Hada. Tanishka Hada, you have raised your hand, but you are not answering. Okay, Sadhana, please you try to answer. Brine solution, what is its chemical name?
Sir, मैं
Yes, Sadhana.
sir brine solution and sodium chloride.
Aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Aqueous
Yes, sir.
solution.
Solution of
Okay.
sodium chloride.
Aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Okay. Okay, children. And what is its chemical formula?
NaCl plus H2O.
NaCl aqueous. NaCl aqueous. Okay. Any problem in this? Then second, who is going to answer the second one? Shivraj, can you answer? Shivraj Singh. They are not answering. Priya Meena and Priyanka Meena, can you answer? Okay, Tanishka is raising her hand. Please answer. Tanishka. Tanishka Hada, please answer it. Okay, Ritika Meghwal, please answer. Ritika Meghwal.
Sir, calcium hemihydrate, common name is plaster of Paris.
Very good. Plaster of Paris. Well done. Plaster of Paris. Very good. And what about its chemical formula?
CaSO4 half H2O.
Very good. Well done. CaSO4 dot half H2O. That is why it is known as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Okay.
Yes.
Next, who is going to answer the next one?
Sir, can I?
No, I want others to answer, not always the same children. I want others. Kushagar Pal, is he here? Shivraj Singh, will you answer? Ashish Mishra. Ashish Mishra, answer.
Yes, sir.
Ashish Mishra, please answer this one.
Sir, bleaching powder, chemical name is calcium oxychloride.
Very good. Calcium oxychloride is its chemical name. And what is its chemical formula, children?
CaOCl2.
Very good. Now, Ashish, can you tell me what is the kind of salt it is? What is the kind of salt it is? Ashish?
Sir, basic salt.
No, it is not basic salt. Yes, Kushag, can you tell? Kushag, yes, Kushag Srivastava. Kushag Srivastava, yes, you have raised your hand. No, I am asking what kind of salt is bleaching powder? What kind of salt is bleaching powder?
Sir, Kushagra Pal or Kushagra Srivastava?
No, Kushag Srivastava, I am asking you because you have raised your hand. No. Kushagra Srivastava, I am asking you. Okay. Manali, please you answer. What kind of salt is bleaching powder?
Sir, mixed salt.
Mixed
mixed
salt. Why is it a mixed salt?
Because the same cation is satisfied by the two different anions. As a result as Ca है, तो OCl minus और Cl minus में वो टूट जाएगा.
Well done. Very good. Very good. So the same cation, that is calcium 2 plus, is attached to two different anions, that is chloride Cl minus anion and hypochlorite OCl minus ion. Okay, that is why this type of salt are called mixed salt. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Who is going to answer this one? Gypsum. Chemical name of gypsum and chemical formula of gypsum. Same children, they are raising their hand. Nishant Rishi. Nishant Rishi. You answer. Pragati Tripathi. Can you answer? Pragati Tripathi.
Yes, sir.
Please answer this question. What is the chemical name? of gypsum and what is its chemical formula? Yes, Pragati.
Calcium sulfate dihydrate is the chemical name.
Calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate.
Dihydrate.
Calcium sulfate bihydrate. Bihydrate. Okay. And what is its chemical formula?
CaSO4
Yes.
2H2O.
Very good. CaSO4.2H2O. It is a
Yes,
hydrated salt having two molecules of water as water of crystallization. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Archana Meena. Archana Meena. Archana Meena. Can you hear me? Archana Meena. He is not there. Okay. Jayashree Meher, can you answer? Jayashree Meher. Next question.
Yes, sir.
Jayashree Meher, washing soda. What is its chemical name and what is its chemical formula? Jayashree Meher.
Yes, sir. Chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate.
Very good. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Well done. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Very good. And what is its chemical formula? If you know its chemical name, then you can deduce its chemical formula also. If you know its correct chemical name, then with the help of that chemical name, you can easily deduce its chemical formula also. Can you?
Yes, sir. Na2CO3.10H2O.
Very good. Na2CO3.10H2O. Na2CO3.10H2O is the chemical formula of washing soda. Okay. Now the last one. Harshil, are you there? Harshil, they are there, but they are not answering any question. Harshil. Okay, Manali, you no, not Manali. This yes, Himanshu.
Yes, sir.
Himanshu, please answer.
Sir, baking soda.
Achha, common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda. Baking soda. And what is its chemical formula? What is its
NaHCO3.
Na?
NaHCO3.
Okay, NaHCO3. Very good. NaHCO3. Well done. So these are the chemical names and chemical formulae. Okay. Okay, children. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, shall I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question. I will write some chemicals in one column, and in the other column, their applications are there. You have to match their applications. Okay, children? Match the applications with the correct chemical. Okay?
Yes, sir.
See. Column 1, column B. Column 1 and column 2. Bleaching powder, baking soda. Bleaching powder. Baking soda. Baking soda. Then washing soda. Washing soda. Then sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Okay, and in the second one, there are applications. Preparation of glass. First one is preparation of glass. Preparation of glass. Which chemical is used in the preparation of glass? Second is production of H2 and Cl2. Production of H2 and Cl2. Production of H2 and Cl2. Third is, please all of you keep writing, please note down. Decolorization. Decolorization. Then fourth is antacid. So who can match these chemicals with their applications? Please tell me. Only one.
Sir.
No. Let us give chance to Manisha now. Manisha, are you there? Manisha.
Yes, sir.
Manisha, please try to answer. So bleaching powder is used for Manisha. I'm waiting for it. Manisha. Please answer.
Production of H2 and Cl2.
Bleaching powder? No, it is not. It is not. Okay, let us give chance to Vandan Vyas. Vandan,
Yes, sir.
please answer. Bleaching powder is used for what? Bleaching powder is used for what? Can you tell me, Vandan?
Sir,
No, okay.
preparation of glass.
No. Okay, Manali, you answer. Nobody is able to answer. Manali.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir. सर जो ब्लीचिंग पाउडर होता है वो
Yes.
डीकलराइजेशन में यूज होता है, बेकिंग सोडा एज ए एंटासिड यूज होता है, वॉशिंग सोडा प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ग्लास, सोडियम क्लोराइड इज द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ H2 and Cl2.
Well done, very good. So these are the uses of chemicals. Bleaching powder is used as a bleaching agent. That means for decolorization, and baking soda is used as an antacid because it is a basic salt. So it neutralizes the acid produced in the stomach. And third, washing soda, it is used in the preparation of glass, and sodium chloride is used in the preparation of hydrogen and chlorine gases. Okay, children.
Yes.
So with this, let us conclude the class. I hope you are enjoying the practice of MCQ questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now see, from the next class onwards, from next week, we shall start our next chapter. What is the next chapter? Carbon and its compound.
Carbon and its compound.
Carbon.
Carbon and its compounds. Okay. Yesterday I have created an assignment, children, regarding this practical
Practical file.
Practical
Yes,
file
sir.
to complete.